Alright, what's up guys? It's just an update on the boosted Protege. So, we got the new turbo in, kind of got everything all fixed and buttoned up. I got a boost controller that's about to go in, and a different spring for the wastegate, because I'm actually peaking 15 right now. So, after that's all done, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to throw in the new coils, because these ones kind of look crusty, and auto-light wires. It's just kind of per reference, I'm going with Denso this time. And we got some V-power plugs too. So just a little update on the Protege. Now we got the MJJ9 MSP ECU in. So we should be able to actually pull some boost. Let me see if I can fucking... Yeah, you're not going to be able to see it. But take my word for it. This is the P5 ECU. 5 MGA. Yeah, here's the baby in all her glory. Alright, well, stay tuned.